Chattanooga Health, Education, and Housing Board approved 2 new low-income housing projects to move forward today.
News 12's Nick Hill found out despite the progress in affordable housing for the community, some neighbors have questions about the benefits.
We're extremely excited to be able to add to our existing stock with a project, the Aspera project, here in Chattanooga to bring 60 additional permanent supportive housing units to the community.
The Ames Center is sponsoring 60 new apartments at the corner of East Main Street and Orchard Knob Avenue. This is on a property donated by the city to the Ames Center after previously leasing it. However, neighbors say there are issues with the property since the organization received the land in 2021.
And with those lease agreements, they were supposed to maintain the property, but we see it in a state of needing to be cleaned up real bad, and it's almost been an issue with the community around here, trashing it out.
The building on 1815 East Main Street under the Ames Center's plan would be torn down to create a 3-story complex. Out of the 60 units, 15 of these would be reserved for those who are chronically homeless.
We'll use HUD definitions. We're a housing first model. We have several other properties already with HUD, but our focus will be to be able to assist with some of the justice involved and chronically homeless in our community.
HUD defines being chronically homeless in part being a homeless individual with a disability and lives in a place not meant for human habitation, safe haven, or in an emergency shelter, and has been homeless for at least a year or 4 separate times in the past 3 years. The Ames Center says they are looking to start construction later this year.
We went through a long process with the neighbors in the area of Main Street when we were looking at this land before the city land donation, and really took into account some of what they would like to see in this project moving forward so we can support that as we build out.
Neighbors hope progress comes soon enough.
My concern is, after the site's built, is it going to turn back into a trashed out site again? I don't mind them bringing in people who need housing, but I just hope the site will be maintained.
There was also a second low-income housing project approved at 6402 Shalford Road. This planned to have 96 units. In Chattanooga, Nick Hill, News 12.